Good morning, people. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. So today is 21st June. It's Tuesday. So I've been wanting to talk about this particular issue since quite long, since about 2 months I think. I've been thinking whether to talk or not, to inform you people or not since 2 months. Finally I've decided that I would talk. About 2.5 months back we got a Windows laptop to us, and I will tell you how did I get that Windows laptop for repair. For actually a screen issue or something, I have no idea. Usually what I do is I post all of my repair stories along with pictures and videos on Facebook, Instagram, and there are a few groups on Facebook which are meant for technical troubleshooting and all. I have posted there. So a person named I have no idea what's that was. Sunny Varun is his online name, I think so. So he contacted me saying he has so and so HP Lenovo, Asus ROG. It's a gaming laptop. Asus ROG is a gaming series laptop. Before it came to us, it has been to authorized service center, is what the person was telling us. The moment we opened the laptop to check, the first thing we noticed was there was a broken battery connector. The battery connector was broken. It actually came off the board. It actually got broken and it came off the board. And we shot the video and photo of the same and we sent it to the client. He was surprised. And secondly, we also saw the prior repair attempt on the logic board, due to which we said that, sir, I'm sorry, the so-and-so thing is there on your logic board. There's a prior repair attempt and we do not accept prior repair attempt devices. And before taking the laptop also, we have told him that 2000 rupees is a diagnostic fee, because we spend good time on your laptop, looking at it and isolating the issue, and we charge for whatever time we spend on your laptop. Either it's for repair or diagnosis or both. So we charge for repair and diagnosis both. So 2000 rupees is what we charge for laptops for diagnostic fee. So if you want us to look at your laptop and isolate the issue and all, we take about 24 to 48 hours of time with 2000 rupees of diagnostic fee. So we have conveyed the same to the person. So he said okay, 2000 rupees diagnostic fee, he is ready for it. But we told him that due to the prior repair attempt, we cannot, and we never knew there was a prior repair attempt before opening the laptop. The moment we opened, we saw the battery connector damaged, and also there was work done on the laptop on different sections of the logic board. We called and asked him the same. Sir, where did you give this laptop before getting it to us? He said, no, I took it to the authorized service center, I took it to the company service center, is what he told. He has two versions of his story. One version is, that person says that he opened and fixed the laptop, the person in the service center, he opened and fixed the laptop right in front of the client, is what that person was saying. First thing. Secondly, he says that the service center kept his laptop for 3 days and returned it back. So, me as a technician, what do I believe? Do I believe that the laptop was opened and fixed right in front of him? Or the authorized service center kept it for 3 days? And see, when the laptop is there for 3 days, there is every possibility anything might have happened. So, you cannot hold a person responsible, a third person responsible who's trying to help you and all. You cannot hold the third person responsible for the issue which was created by someone else, and I'm sure that was created by someone else, not us. If we were so bad at our work, my business would not have been flourished so well. First thing he says, the concerned technician in the service center, he has opened and fixed the back cover right in front of him. And the second story is, the authorized service center kept the laptop for 3 days, and after 3 days he took it back the 4th day. He was asking us, he bought it for the screen issue. I really don't know what is the issue with the screen. I don't know what all was done. He brought it to us with the screen issue. So we said, I'm sorry sir, you might have brought it for the screen issue, but we have already noticed so much of unwanted repair attempt done on your laptop. The battery connector of the battery on the logic board is damaged. It has come right off the board. And secondly, there is a prior repair attempt, so this person might have worked on it. Whoever you have given the laptop to, that person might have worked on it. You never know. The thing which you said, that 3 days it was with them, you never know what that person has done to your laptop in those 3 days. After, in spite of telling him that we are going to charge 2,000 for the diagnostic fee, he was ready to give the laptop to us. We diagnosed it. The moment we diagnosed it, we saw the issue. So what we said is, I'm sorry sir, we cannot work on your laptop. Please take it back, because we do not accept prior repair attempted device. Please take it back. Pay the diagnostic fee and take it back. So he started, he was requesting me like anything, please try. He requested twice or thrice. I said, sir, I'm sorry, this has come from a different way. You said you have given it to the authorized service center, but authorized service center will not do this. Only person who can do this is if you have given it to someone else, or the authorized service center might have given it to someone else. Then only there's a possibility that this thing might have happened. This is what we have told him. He got frustrated. He was kind of agitated with what I was saying and everything. And his father started talking to us. I was not there. He was speaking to my staff who used to work with me during that time. Now both of them are not there. So he was saying whatever is coming to his mouth. He was not at all, I don't know what was his condition during that time, but he was going left, right, center to my client. He was uttering left, right, center to my boys who used to work with me at that time. And secondly, he said he wanted to talk to me. I said, what is the point in talking? I can already see there's so much of ruckus created on the board. So what do you expect me to do? I cannot do anything. Please take it back. His father was speaking on the phone. I really don't know what all was happening, because I was not the one who spoke to him on the phone. And here's the best part. In spite of being so transparent with him, in spite of informing him every now and then that this is what has been done, this particular thing has been messed up on your logic board, so we won't be, in spite of telling him everything clearly, and in spite of informing the terms and policies and everything of our repair, about our repair process, but still he was ready. He wanted us to check. He checked. He saw the issue. The main thing was a prior repair attempt. So he went on to our Google page. He left a very long review saying, I don't know, he was uttering something that we tell the customers of Windows laptops ki we do not deal with Windows laptops. I'm sorry, you can find someone else, because we are not the right person to work on Windows, because we are experts in Mac. We can only work on Mac computers. He has requested us so much, that is the reason why we have taken up the repair. After taking up the repair, after informing him about the terms and policies, after taking up the repair, everything, he has left a very long review on the Google saying, my boys, they don't treat Windows laptops as laptops. They are very arrogant. They are very rude. I don't know what all he has written. I was shocked looking at that comment, the review he has left on Google. And irony is that I have about 50 odd something reviews on Google. Nothing has got thumbs up on my review, on the reviews I have. This one long negative review, I would not even say negative review, I would say the false review. This false review has got 5 thumbs ups on Google. Oh my God, just imagine. People are saying good, but still nobody wants to listen to good. This one false review about our work quality, about our work culture, about our transparency, and this is what people end up doing. Anyway, that review is not going to affect my business anyway, because whoever comes to me, they go through my YouTube channel, they go through my Instagram, they talk to me over the phone call, and whoever has got the service done with us, it's been 3 years, 4 years now. Everybody's MacBooks are doing very good. There's no issue whatsoever. We call them back every once in a month, checking how is the MacBook, if we replace the battery, how is the charge cycle, how are they charging. So this is what we all ask the client, and this is how we maintain our customer relation. But unfortunately, people end up doing like this just because, and after going through that review on Google, what I've understood is, just because we have charged him 2,000 rupees, he got frustrated, his ego might have got hurt or something. Maybe he might have expected that we might fix his issue or something. Yes, probably we could have fixed his issue if there was no prior repair attempt, or if there was no fidgeting around with the board earlier coming to us. Bottom line and the moral of the story is, before coming to us, it has been to 2 places, I think. And he says all the technicians, techies, whom he has showed, they said it cannot be repaired, the screen has to be changed. He says, I have given it to the authorized service center. He opened and closed it right in front of me. This is the first one. Second one being, he kept it for 3 days and he gave it to me. Third one, he says, to all the techies I have shown, that means I really don't know to how many people that person have shown. He has shown to different people. Different people might have attempted in a different ways to get his laptop back to working condition or not. I have no idea. Somebody has worked on his laptop. Somebody has messed up his laptop. Just because we are transparent and we are so open to whatever client feedback or something like that, that doesn't mean that I will take whatever comes to whatever people's mouth, right? We really cannot take the responsibility of someone who has messed up before coming to us. And I don't know, I will also leave the screenshot of the review in the video. You can pause the video and go through that video. So I have left the reply to that particular review also. I reply to each and every review which comes on my Google page. I don't know what made him leave such a long review, such a false review actually. I really don't want to go into so deep and think about it much, because it's been almost 2 months and it took about 2 months for me to think about this issue and take up this issue and speak about that particular issue. You try to be good. You try to be as helpful as possible to them in getting their issues fixed or addressed, or at least making them sit right in front of you, have a one-on-one conversation. This is what I like to do with the clients who come to me with their issues. But just because someone got disappointed due to something which we are not responsible for, I cannot take responsibility for that. I cannot take the responsibility of the mess which was created by someone else. The moment that person left the review on my Google page, I have immediately blocked him on Messenger and Facebook, because the whole conversation, the whole chat was happening on Messenger, and whatever he has told me, it has been documented on the Messenger. So just to make sure that he doesn't delete any messages or something, I have blocked him on Messenger. Once if we declare something that we are unable to fix it and we can't fix it, we will not spend more time on it, because instead of spending time on something which was messed up to a level where it is not fixable anymore by someone, instead of wasting time on that, we can concentrate on something else. We can try to spend our time on something which is fixable. That makes more sense for us. Business wise, that is what makes sense. Working on devices which are not opened by someone, if the client is bringing to us for the first time, that makes more sense for us. That is going to be value for our time and our effort. So that's what I wanted to do. But this person has ended up putting such a huge review on Google, such a false review on Google about me or my past boys or employees, because it really pinched me to a point where I had to speak about this. If it's about tech, especially when it's about consumer electronics, I would not blindly go by what the clients say. That is the reason why we take 24 hours of time and we diagnose the issue. We do the microscopic diagnosis of the whole logic board and everything. So this is why we take so much of time. In spite of being so transparent, in spite of being so open and communicative with the clients about what's happening with their laptops and what's happening with their precious and expensive devices, I have never experienced something like this. I was blamed for something which I have not even uttered, nor my so-called ex-boys who were there with me. It is very easy for someone to in this age of social media and so much of internet penetration into people, it is very easy for someone to go on to their company profile and draft whatever review and whatever comes to their mind or whatever. I just hope that person doesn't do this with anyone anymore. That's all I wanted to say. So this has been in my mind since about good 2 months. And the irony is that I was surprised seeing 5 thumbs ups for that particular review. I really cannot understand why so much of hate towards someone. Right, so that's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you so much for spending time watching this video. Just don't forget to like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. so that I can put out more and more interactive content with you all. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you.